Hello, and today is the first episode of Street Showroom. Ooh, it's hot. I'll put max cool. All windows down. This is how you gotta do it. Go ahead and roll that sunroof up. Ooh wee. Now we're talking. Reverse a bit here. So today, let me go ahead and scoot that up. Today is the first episode of Street Showroom, and I thought I would give you guys a little, summary of what our channel is about. So Street Showroom, to me, it did not come natural. It did not come natural to make a YouTube channel. I've never been the type to been in front of cameras, and I've never really liked cameras, to be honest. Point blank zero. Recently, throughout the years, I've started really thinking about, I haven't been into cameras, but I can tell you that I've been into cars, right? And honestly, ever since Instagram and social media has come out, I feel like the car scene has changed. I feel like, expectations or pages blow up because of a certain something, and I kind of feel the car community has come, out of touch with what car community should be about. And that is that you love cars, no matter what it is, fall in love with cars because they have engines. Because when you purchase a car, you go ahead and love it for what it is, And that has mainly been my passion. Yeah. Perfect. Gotta move the whole setup again. Out with some Meguiar's Detailer non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. I'm sorry, I got distracted. As I was saying, I feel like the car community has changed. You know, when I first started liking cars, I wasn't interested in the most perfect $300,000 cars that, you know, were unattainable to me. And maybe that was why I kind of had the passion for it, is because there's this nice vehicle that is crazy expensive that perhaps I may never attain. And maybe I use it as motivation to try to work hard and to go to school so that I can try to get one of those vehicles. But the more that I grew up, the more that I understood that, you know what, it's not so much the engine, it's not so much the price of it. I just like cars. All types of cars at that. I wanted to make sure to remind everyone in the days that every single car has a value. Have a lot of love for your car. And nowadays, I feel like that passion is gone. I feel like if it is not a GT3 RS, and nothing against them, by the way, because don't get me wrong, if I had the money for one, I promise you, I would get one. But it's not to take away from the fact that I love my car, no matter what it is. You know, I may not have a GT3 RS, but I'm not going to sit here and ponder upon it and hate my car. I worked hard for my car. I worked to get my vehicle, and I'm gonna absolutely love it, you know? I love Ryobi, by the way. So, as I was saying, you know, I'm not knocking anything off of these crazy, expensive, beautiful cars that are unattainable to me. You know, I like them a lot. But I feel like the car community has become so hyper-focused on the fact that cars should be perfect, that they should have 1,000 horsepower. And if you don't have a build that has put so many mods on it that can attain it, then it's less. And I don't agree with that. I started off with a 1998 Acura Integra with an automatic transmission. And I absolutely, man, at the time, and even then, if I was here today and I had an Acura Integra here, let me tell you, I'd be utterly in love with it. How do I turn this hood on? By the way, big shout out to Ryobi 1800 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute premium electric pressure washer. This thing was like 50 bucks at Harbor Freight. I went with my fiance and we were going out to a camera shop in Sacramento. She has a passion for photography, and there's this new camera that came out that she absolutely loved and she wanted to purchase. And so we went out to Sacramento and we did go ahead and purchase it. It was sold out everywhere, by the way, which is crazy on its own. Me, new to photography, didn't know that cameras would sell out because apparently they make so few of, and so they sell out. Anywho, we're out, we're driving, and we start talking about cars. All of us love cars, by the way. And we come to notice that every owner who purchases their cars should love it. You know, there's a mad passion about owning your own car. I'm so sorry. I just noticed that my camera's been off for a while because it's hot. I'm here in California. Make sure. But basically, what I'm saying is, you know, Street Showroom was designed and created for owners of their vehicle to have passion, to love their cars. That's what I want to capture. That's what I want to capture through a cinematic video through, you know, this is my car right here. This is what we will be shooting a majority of our rollers through. This is the car that I drive what is that? Yeah. I want everyone to be appreciative of the cars that they have. Do you love and do you have passion for your car? That's the utmost important to me. That's what the car community should be about. And that's what I hope you guys can join me in, or not join me in, but join with me on the journey. And hopefully I'm able to provide everyone the opportunity to feel so, you know. I don't want to charge for any rolling shots. I don't want to, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Bow. I don't want to make anyone pay for some cinematic photography for their video. I just want to share the passion for cars that we all have, but is often overseen. I'm here for the work that you've done. And I hope to capture that and have you fall in love with your car once again. It's Street Showroom. It doesn't matter if you have a V6, 4-cylinder, SUV, truck. If you love your vehicle, you're welcome here. Go ahead and clean this baby in. It's one of the most best drives that I've experienced. One of the smoothest drives that I experienced. I want to make sure the world goes ahead and knows what a vehicle this is, you know. Let's get this baby in the shoe. Actually, let's put some tire shine on this baby to make sure that it looks real nice. Go ahead and spray some on this right here. I don't know about you guys, but some people don't like tire shine. Personally, I will always put tire shine on all of my vehicles and all the vehicles I plan to do. Tire shine just makes your wheels look like they're brand new. It better contrasts whatever rims you may have, changes the look. I will forever appreciate that. Let alone, I will forever appreciate the product that 3D has put out. I'm not gonna lie to you, that gel was real nice. It was sitting flush. It came on semi-dry. I guess this is the word I'm looking for, but what tire shine should do, and that's really make the tire pop, especially in those little indents of the tire, the most to go ahead and pop through because it completes the look of the tire, you know? Oh. Let's get this baby in the shoe.